This is a quick tutorial on how to add a loading animation to your Geocortex HTML5 viewer. So what we've done is we've put a little animation GIF onto our loading screen, and we'll show you how we did this. We'll load up a standard splash screen for the Geocortex HTML5 viewer. Your choice on loading animations is really up to you. You can create your own, but generally we use something that's stock. The two sites we use are ajaxload.info. These are very simple animations, but another is preloaders.net. And preloaders.net gives you far more animations than you would find on Ajax loaders. If you want to do animated globes, for example, you can come in and pull an earth animation. Lots of choices here. They also have animated text. Some people prefer that. It gives the user a little more feedback. This is all preference. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. We're going to use just a simple barber pole loader from Ajax Info. So we'll just select that. We're not going to pick any special colors. We're going to generate that file. And we'll take a look at it. That's what we're after. We're going to download that. At this point, we're going to go in and go into our downloads folder, and we're going to just copy or cut that out of the downloads folder, and then we're going to navigate to the Geocortex viewer, which is going to be in your inet pub, in your www root, and whatever the name of your viewer is. At that point, we're going to go into the resources, into the images, and within the images folder, as I muck around here a little bit, we're actually going to create a new folder, and we're going to call this custom, and just so we know that that's our own custom imagery. And in here we'll paste in our GIF file, and you can name it whatever you want. We're going to navigate back to the top of the viewer, and we're going to make a copy of the index.html file. So just do a copy and a paste, and then we're just going to rename this index.bak. Keep it simple. And this is just prevent mistakes. And now we'll open up the index.html in whatever text editor you like. We use Notepad++, doesn't really matter. Once that opens, we're going to scroll down to line 24, which is the splash screen markup, and right after the logo, we're going to add a new line, and we're going to insert our loader GIF. So we're just going to put in an image tag. We're going to give it a source, and we're going to point to resources, images, custom, and our Ajax loader.gif. And we'll give it an alt tag and just call that loading. And then we're going to style this into a block. The reason we're going to use a block is to allow us to center the image. And so we'll set up our CSS styles as display block. We're going to add just an auto margin, and we're going to do some basic padding just to keep everything separated. And so we'll just put in an M on the top and on the bottom, and close that image source tag. At this point, we'll save the file and switch back to our default viewer and give it a reload and take a look at what we did. Give it a quick refresh, and we now have our loader screen. It's as simple as that. There's not much more. It's your choice on what you want to add into it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on adding loader animations to the Geocortex viewer. You have a great day.